Welcome to this lecture. So far now, inside our application, we have used both the image generation and text completion or chat feature of ChatGPT. And now inside this application, it's time to show the data or the information properly on screen. So basically we are going to work on the GUI of our application, and we will start by working or improving the look of this bar where user is typing his question, and also the looks of this send button. So let's start. So far now inside our application we got this text input component, and this is responsible for displaying a view where user can type his question. So we will firstly beautify this text input, and to do that we are going to add the properties in this style section. So here we will simply start by setting the background color for this text input. So we will use this background color, and here for now we will use background color of white. So for now you can see all the background is white, so it will not going to change anything. So when you will press Ctrl S, you can see nothing changed inside our application. And after doing that we will set or make this text input rounded. So here we are going to set a property with the name border radius. So I have improved the spacing, and after that let's specify this border radius property. So border radius, and for now we will use a border radius of 10. And after doing that we will also set the border color. So border color, and here we are going to use the color like gray. And after specifying the color we can also set the border width. So here you can choose border width, and there you can notice because of space issues we are not able to see it clearly, but for now we will set the width to 1. And after doing that, when you will press Ctrl S and save the changes, you can see now we got a border around our text input. And after adding the border, we can also set some other properties so that it will going to look much better. And here firstly we are going to set the height for our text input. So you will set the height, and for now let's select the height to 60. And after specifying the height, when you will save the changes, now you can see the height of this view is increased. And after increasing the height we can also set the margins here. So for now we will set the margin left and the margin right. So margin left, and here we will use a value of 10. After that we can also use the margin right, and again we are going to use a value of 10. And after specifying the margin we want to center the text that user will going to enter, and to do that we are going to use this justify content property, and here we are going to choose the value to center. And after making these changes, when you will press Ctrl S, now you can see our view is looking a lot more better. Similarly, in order to make this text look better, we can add a padding here. Like here we can set the padding left to like 10, and also the padding right to 10. And by adding this padding, now you will see a distance or a gap between this border and this text. So here let's set it and press Ctrl S, and now you can see it is looking much better. So for now we can also remove the text which is present inside this view so that we can also see the hint. So that is how our text input is looking without the text.